I'm going to show you how I make my YouTube banner using fotor. So as you may see, this is it. Sorry. So sorry for being clumsy, and let's just start. So the first thing, we're going to YouTube channel art right now, and you already have the same size, 2560 px times 1440, and not now, still continue. And we're just waiting. And you can use translated or not, but I'm not gonna use it anyway. And I'll be right back when this is ready. So after that seconds waiting, so it will come up like this, and you have here some templates that you can choose whatever you want. So just pick whatever you want. There are also sticker here, so you can use as your sticker on, and you can search some stickers. Text, you can add some text. In background, you can choose your own or use these colors. Example like this, whatever you want, but you can use your template if you want to. But right now I'm going to use my own and pick some pictures I want, and I'll be right back. So ito na yung napili ko, and just do that and set as our background. Choose some black. Ano to? Ito lang yung gagamitin ko. Set as your background. Tapos ganito yung lalabas. You can add your text. And then meron ka ng heading. Tapos papalikin ko lang. And then just write your name. And then I'm gonna change the font. There are a lot of fonts you can choose here, and they're so cute. One of my favorite is this. Itong learning curves, lobster, and this one, Samantha. It's cute. So ito yung pipiliin ko. I'm just going to make this bigger and drag it here. And then you can also change the color of your choice. You can choose whatever you want, but I want to choose black, but you can also use your theme color and choose that. And then the nice thing that I want or I love here is stickers. So this is what I recently used. This for Facebook, Instagram, this TikTok using. The subscribe button thingy, the like button, the ring button, the circle button is just so cute. So I'm just gonna use first the subscribe one, and you can make this drag it here first so it would be easier. And I'm gonna make this longer and make this a bit like this and drag it over here. I'm gonna make it smaller first. Okay, and drag it over here again, and then I'm gonna go to the text and add subheading. And what I'm going to do or put here is I'm going to put subscribe, and then I will change the font and change it to this. I don't know, I cannot read it because this is one of my favorite ones too. And I will change the color to this. Let me just change it to white. That, and then make this smaller and drag it over here so it looks like a subscribe button. And then I'm going to go again to stickers, and let me go to recently used, and we'll use this too. We'll get this and make this smaller, drag it, and text, add subheading, and then change the size into like the same one I've done. Like. So cute, right? But if you want to add more, you can add whatever you want. You got some background there. And then this one, you can change the settings and make it darker. And it will look like this. But if you want to make it lighter, you can change it to lighter. And I just want to make it like lighter, but sometimes I want to make it darker. But yeah, if you didn't learn, if you haven't, you only learned a little thing to me, you can go at the settings again and go to the tutorials, and it will show you tutorials. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Oh, I forgot, you have to save it, and you can save it on, and your design, you can change your design on like this. I'm just going to do it like that, and it will be downloading, and just wait for it. It's so cute. So then we're reading your work from Cloud, and after that you can share your amazing work, and then you're done. If you want to make a new one, just new design, and yes, thank you guys for watching. Love you all.